Permit requirements for service calls can vary depending on local regulations. However, the general principles are as follows. Firstly, any work that involves creating a new electrical circuit or extending an existing one typically requires a permit. Secondly, work that modifies an existing electrical system, such as adding a ceiling fan to an existing circuit, may also require a permit. Thirdly, some repairs, such as replacing a faulty outlet or switch, may not require a permit. However, extensive repairs that involve replacing multiple components or modifying the electrical system may trigger a permit requirement. For example, most jurisdictions would likely require a permit for installing a new electrical line for an AC unit, even if it is only 10 feet from the panel. This is because it involves creating a new circuit and modifying the electrical system. Some minor electrical tasks may not require a permit, such as 1. Replacing batteries and smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors. 2. Replacing light bulbs. 3. Tightening loose connections at electrical outlets. And 4. Cleaning electrical contacts. To ensure compliance with local regulations and protect your business, it is always advisable to 1. Contact your local building department to inquire about permit requirements for specific service calls. 2. Inform customers of permit requirements and obtain their consent before performing any work. 3. File for a permit promptly if one is required. And 4. Document all permit-related activities in writing, including the permit number, project description, and contact information for the inspector. By adhering to these best practices, you can minimize the risk of fines, penalties, or delays due to permit irregularities.